Welcome back to Gear Current Close. So we are in the garage at the Blue Door. We are renting one of their bays and we getting the two post lift and the manual swap. It start happening. In the previous video I did fit the reservoir. I did fit the handbrake, fit the clutch pedal, and now we are ready to go on the ramp. We got all the tools. I got my handy dandy sun here and all the tools. Hopefully we will be not missing anything. I'll see you on the ramp. Right, we're waiting for Lexus to sync up with the key so I can start it. But in the meanwhile I can show you something. So here's the gearbox. I got the 4N Raptor for this life. That's one thing. And now I'm sure about all the parts. What I'm not sure, it's about this bracket. Because this bracket originally was for IS300. But as far I'm concerned, the GS300 should be using the same mount. But basically this goes on the front of the gearbox. Like so. Yeah, that is that. And now this goes on the bottom of the car. And now here are some goodies for it. Yeah, so that's my only worry, which I'm not sure if this will fit. I finger crossed as well, because if not, then I'm screwed. It will take way longer than I'm thinking it should. Yeah, gearbox here. Hopefully we should be taking these off. This should be able to go something like that on it. I believe like that, or either way it goes on it. So yeah, definitely it fits on the gearbox. So this one goes replace the whole this monstrosity. And then we have this POC. Looks like made in Czech Republic. Holy, I'm from Czech Republic. Cool. I should go like that. And this bad boy, either this way or that way. I don't know. We'll see how it fits on. But that will mount it in the car. Yeah, it's all riding on that Raptor right now. So we need to undo this contraption on this one. Yeah, this exhaust is terrible anyway. This needs to be changed. The springs are new though. Yeah. Okay, this is alright. Yeah, it's not rotten, but it's starting. I mean, I need to change this exhaust. This is it's getting blowing here. Yeah, we'll need that. I will sort that. So for an line for our gearbox, I will need to go. I did order extension for this, just in case. And look at that, our gearbox is even leaking, I think. Right. It's definitely leaking, yeah. Well, we have the back seal, so this one is hit, so I need to replace that. This is the engine side. The engine looks dry. Yeah, dry-ish. It was used to leak, but it's just dirty now. It's not so bad though, not so bad. Boy joints, they're still nice and squishy. Yeah, very good. Right, the 1 million question. It's now all right on this adapter. Let's see. Ha 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 ha. Perfect. Yep. Is that? Come on. So this adapter fits there. Perfect. Hole on a hole. Perfectly done. Brilliant job. Yeah. So yeah, we good. We good. We get basically every part except the drive shaft, which needs to be custom order. Anyway. That's one exhaust down. This took more effort than it looks. Now we need to take these shields off. That would be fun. So we can start taking the drive shaft off. Once that's done, you can drop the gearbox. Okay, so we get the drive shaft out right there. Oh, the shield's out. So now we need to start on the gearbox.
Just the other way.
Right, so we're starting on the gearbox, and the first thing first, we need to undo this dipstick so we don't rip it from the bracket. And it's all the way back. That's our suspect. 10mm bolt. Alright. Okay, so we're gonna drain the oil.
As long as there's enough space to get that in there.
Yeah, get the bucket and
Yeah.
maybe here. Yeah, here. Get the bucket. You can finish it off with that one. And the bleeding. Okay, we'll try to start this one. Okay. Another? No. Okay. Yes, no? Let's see shit. Like this bastard, that one. Yeah, no, I can't get that.
We'll get that one on. It's solid one here. Yeah.
Perfect, thank you. Yeah, I need to get the logo like that. Cheers, man.
That's alright.
Just slow it down. Let go. That's part of the gearbox.
I can feel you in my heart, you in my arms. I can feel you in my heart, you in my arms.
Okay, so that's the design. That's how it goes on a car. Did need to retain the original bolts and put the lug nuts there. The spacers. Because these things with the was included, they don't go in the thread. It's different pitch. But yeah. Oh, it's all custom. We need to measure things as we go anyway. Let's see what's happening here. So this one is still draining. Unfortunately, I can't continue tomorrow because tomorrow they closed here. And so we'll let it drain. We'll come back Tuesday. Oh, I believe till that time we should be drained out. They have to cut those tubes because it's a pain in the behind to undo them, to undo them. We did remove the bolts from the flywheel. We did loop-de-loop this oil cooler. We did undone the dipstick. This dipstick is free, so that will go down. Still need to undo this ground, and then we can start undoing these bolts. Then undo the sub brace, put the gearbox tent under that, undo the little bit bubble, lose the engine mounts so it can tilt, and then we will take it out. I'll be out, so shifter is out as well. Then these two goes in. That's a problem for another day though. Yeah, these two will go in. That's a problem for another day.